Dear students, yesterday we have to discussion about the ninth class, the enchanted book. In the last class, we have to discussion the conversation between the Arjuna and Yaksha. At that time, Yudhishthira said to Arjuna to find out our brothers, those who are met with any dangerous to our brothers. Immediately, Arjuna swiftly went to the near the fort. When he saw our brother, two brothers was right. Our two brothers was right. Immediately, Arjuna was shocked and heartbroken, and taken revenge their deaths. When he was loudly crying, "Who are you? Killed my brothers. Come and stand up me. I will kill you. Definitely I will kill you." To cry their deaths. Today, continue read in this lesson for next stanza. Yudhishthira sent to Arjuna to see whether the brother had met with any danger. Arjuna went swiftly. He saw his brothers lying near the pool, heartbroken with a grief. Grief means grief. Shout. ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಜುನನಿಗೆ. But he wanted to avenge or revenge today to their deaths. However, he too was overwhelmed by monster thirst. But he was also a monster thirst. And he was filled drinking the water first. Then, to take revenge our brother's death. Immediately, he knelt down near the pool and transferred into the water his mouth. But suddenly that voice was crying or saying, "Oh son of Kunti, oh great hero of the Pandavas, Arjuna, you don't drink the water, or you do not drink the water, or you do not disobey my order. If you disobey my order, and you are follow your brothers, because you cannot take any mistakes or take the mistake as like your brothers. First, answer my question. The bodiless voice said to the Arjuna, first answer my question and then drink, because this pool is mine. This pool is mine without permission to drink without permission to drink the water. Without permission, do not drink the water. First permission or first answer my questions and then drink. Which complete him towards the battle. ಭಯಂಕರವಾಗಿ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ದಣಿವಾಗಿದೆ, ಮೊದಲು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು. But that bodiless voice was heard or said, do not drink the water. First answer my question and then drink. But he was not a patient, because he was a monster thirst. ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮರಾಕ್ಷಸನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಗಾಧವಾಗಿ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, if you don't drink the water, I would have to die. That's the critical condition of the Arjuna. Arjuna warned, again the warning voice, here answer my question before you drink the water. This pool is mine. If you disobey me, you will follow your brothers. Already I told you. ಅರ್ಜುನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ ಬಾಡಿಲೆಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅರ್ಜುನ became very angry, taken very angry, and killed him. When you catch, I will kill you. Arjuna became very angry. He cried, who are you? Come and stand up to me. Who are you? Come and stand up to me. Stand up to me, and I will kill you. Who are you? Are you? I am a great hero. I am a Pandavas. I am a great Pandavas. My name is Arjuna. I did not defeat anyone as a skill of arrows. Come and stand up to me. Arjuna said to the Yaksha or bodiless voice, who are you? Why are you hiding? Come and stand up to me. Before in front of me. Definitely I will kill and then drink the water. Why are you hiding? Where are you? Why are you hiding? And he shook the hand. Are you with me? Bodiless voice, and again his angry, very untouchable, very top of the moment. Immediately he shook his arrows in the direction of the voice. He shook his arrows. He shook the sharp arrows in the direction of the voice. Immediately, the bodiless voice or Yaksha was invisible laughing. Invisible laughing. Because I cannot anyone see. ನಾನು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೂ ಸಹಿತ ಕಣ್ಣಿಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೆ ನೀನು ಗುರಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಬಾಡಿಲೆಸ್. ನನಗೆ ದೇಹನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಬಾಡಿಲೆಸ್. ಇವರು ಯಾರು ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಮೀ. ಇವರು ಯಾರು ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಮೀ. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಣ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ಯಾರು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಮೀ. Because he was invisible, laughing and scorn, and say, your arrows cannot touch me. Arjuna wanted to destroy the unseen thing. Arjuna wanted to destroy, ಕೊಂದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಸರ್ವನಾಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Arjuna wanted to destroy this unseen thing. ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವೈರಿ. ಫೀಲ್ unseen thing means enemy. Arjuna wanted to destroy the unseen thing. Arjuna was very angry, and immediately he cried out, "Who are you? Why are you hiding? Come and stand up to." And then say, "Aige ಬಂದು ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು. Definitely I am with you. I am a great hero." Arjuna wanted to destroy this unseen thing, but unfortunately, he was very terrible thirst. Unfortunately, he was very terrible thirst. If he do not drink the water, definitely he would be dying. Because Arjuna wanted to wanted to drink the water. First he drink the water and then water. Ananತರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೋ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. But the first he had to quench his thirst. So he drank the water and also fell down. Died. As Arjuna was followed by his brothers Nakula and Sahadeva. Those who are feared to die. When Arjuna was drinking the water, immediately his great strength each side out, and he was not controlled to his body. Immediately fell down on the bank of the pool. Immediately those who are died. Drank. This is a past tense form of drink. Drink. Present tense. One word. Drank. Past tense. We two word. Drink. Drank. Drunk. And drinking. Drank. Past tense word. We two word. Drink present tense verb. Drunk past participle verb. Drinking present participle. Arjuna drank the water. Arjuna drank the water, or Arjuna was drinking the water. Both are same. Arjuna drank the water, or Arjuna was drinking the water. Both are simple past tense. Because Arjuna or he drank the water. This is the simple past tense. He was drink the water. This is a redo form